Hello everyone! Hope you've enjoyed your first week of October. Now that we're into the fall, it's time to review the activities we've completed over the summer. From debris removal and bank restoration to educational outings with local schools. It has been a busy field season this year. Most of our projects and environmental endeavors have been covered in Watershed walks already, so I won't go into detail. But I do want to show off our to-do list we've completed and everything else that was checked off our calendar this summer. I'm also hoping this video can serve as a bit of a memento for our summer students to look back on their time here.
I did too.
So let's begin our review from early June up until the present.
That's the green, and that's the coast part.
That looks like what the
Yeah, that looks like
like that.
Okay. This is me putting it on.
Try and get it in there.
.5, okay. They're calling 13 then.
So you can do some drawings. So we're going to kind of spread out.
On your mark, get set, go!
So finish up with the lower. So this upper. So just barely break open the surface there.
I'd say it's good.
You can't just go backwards. I had to go to the bathroom.
Ooh. Oh, you almost got two. Very good.
Yeah, I'm getting so
There's water dripping off of my nose. Thanks so much for watching, and a huge thank you to our sponsors for making the work we do here at the KWRC possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors. See you next time!